Hello and welcome back to Piccadilly's Kitchen on Adventures with Piccadilly. Today we're going to be opening our farm box from Farm Fresh Carolinas. We love getting the farm box. We get it every week, and we basically just told them whether we wanted fruits, veg, or a mix, and kind of what size family we feed. Huge if you've been much on our kitchen. And they send us a great box with a mix of stuff that some stuff we would buy, some stuff is new to us, and it's all a lot of fun. So let's see what we got. All right, first thing in a bag, have some lovely mushrooms. These mushrooms look really big, actually. So pop them all together right there. Wow, they are big. Look at this one. Huge, huge mushrooms. And I bet they're as tasty as they look. Next, we have 2 butter lettuce heads. These are the ones that come with the root ball still attached, which I love. They stay super fresh that way and have a great crunch. Let's see. We have some tomatoes. 3 tomatoes. Limes, some kiwi, and mango, apples that look delicious. We are just coming into apple season here in our area. I'm so excited. Onions, always need good onions. As you know, if you've watched any of our recipes, we put onions in basically everything. We have a massive amount of carrots. I say that like that's not, half a family's worth of serving. And some potatoes, purple potatoes. And white potatoes. These will be great together or in a mixie or by themselves. And they say, send us a card if you want to check out their QR code. It says, "Let us be friends." And that is our farm box for the week. Be sure to like and subscribe and follow us. Check out some recipes that we will be putting some of these beautiful produce into delicious, delicious meals. Thanks. Bye-bye.